Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to yet another breakdown. Here is a trade that I've taken on the euro pound. It's a pretty simple trade, but I thought I'd just give you the top down analysis before jumping straight down to the lower time frame. Now, as you can see on the weekly, we had this huge sell off to the downside and we tapped into this POI and filled an imbalance. On the daily, we are in this bullish range, but we wicked out the low. When we jump onto the 4 hour, as you can see here, we're obviously very bearish heading to the downside. Then we had this fractal chock bullish. We had an initial mitigation, then we had mitigated it again, wicking out the previous low as well. When we jump to the 15-minute, as you can see here, we had a huge rally during London session, sweeping out the edge of highs. But also just swept out the edge of lows as well. And there's obviously that liquidity being swept too with this trend line here. Don't know if you guys can see that, but pretty clear within this area. There's a lot of liquidity, a lot of stop losses resting around this area, right? Overall low. Now, as you can see here, after that huge sell-off to the downside, you obviously can expect a pullback. It's the same with this move here. Once you start to take out these highs, you can expect a pullback because there are signs in the market that give you or signify potential pullback within the market. For example, like an overextended market or when price breaks significant structure, like this here is significant structure, right? As you can see, this POI we had marked up. Price had broken above this high, indicating a potential shift to the upside, aka chocking, right? So as we chocked bullish, as you can see here within this wick, this is a lower time frame pullback. So it's all in the little details. A lot of people would discount this. It wouldn't really mitigate. No, they wouldn't really. Not mitigate, but they wouldn't really identify this as a true pullback, right? They'd wait for an actual bearish candle to get involved. But this here is a clear wick mitigation. Obviously, if you're in my course, then you'll understand this a lot better. I'll just jump onto the 1 minute. As you can see with the entry, we came back down into this POI, the M1 POI. We had the premium discount marked up. As you can see, price mitigated the discounted part. We had this first initial mitigation here in this engulfing candle, obviously filling this imbalance, but we didn't tap into the discounted part of the range. We obviously had this price tap into this area, came to discount, then obviously I was looking for a closure above this high there, exactly where my entry was. Obviously, when you had commission and spread, things like that, especially spreads, it'll be slightly different, right? But as you can see, my entry was here. My stop loss was just below this engulfing sort of candle low, because that's my invalidation point. If price was to come above here, below there, I'd probably look to close a trade anyway if my stops were lower. So that's my invalidation point. Therefore, I didn't want to have wider stops just because I was happy with that, and plus it gave me a very nice risk to reward of a 6. As you can see in terms of targets, I just targeted the overall significant structural high as you just seen on the 15-minute, but it's a very simple trade, and that's pretty much it really. To catch trades like this, honestly, you just need good timing and a really good understanding of obviously the market. For example, as we approach half one, there's something in the market that you can obviously anticipate, which is a potential reversal. Between certain hours you can expect certain things, right? So as you can see, we had a very bearish London session. There was a lot of nice sell setups. As we tapped into New York session, as you can see, we started to reverse. That's a very common or such a typical market session characteristic, so to speak. But yeah, obviously if you want to learn about more of that in depth, market sessions, how to catch trades like this, POIs, etc., timing, then sure, check out my mentorship and use code masterclass on checkout. But guys, this has been a short but sweet video full of educational value, I hope. Make sure you go ahead and study this. This is the Euro GBP or the Euro Pound, and it is Tuesday the 3rd of September around 2:30ish is when I actually took the trade. Guys, it's been a pleasure. Take care. Make sure to hit subscribe and like button, and I'll catch you on the next one.